Okay, today we are at Unicoi State Park up in Helen, Georgia, and we are going to make a pumpkin. It is a piece of cake. Alright, all you need, your supplies you need, is a paper bag, piece of green ribbon, and a roll of toilet paper, and one 18-inch square of fabric. Alright, move this out of the way, this out of the way. Alright, you want to take your fabric and lay it out. Take your toilet paper, you're going to put it in the middle. Now I've already taken some toilet paper off the roll, and what you can do is wrap that toilet paper around, because that's going to make your pumpkin a little more shaped better. Okay? And piece of cake, no sewing required. You're going to take the fabric, tuck it in the middle, bring it around, tuck that in, don't pull it too tight, tuck that one in, tuck that one in, tuck that one in, tuck that one in, and that one in, and you have a pumpkin, piece of cake. See the pumpkin? Alright, so after that, you're going to take your little lunch bag, you're going to twist it together, just like so. Okay, I'm going to fold it in, fold about a quarter of it up, and you're going to place that right in the middle there as your stem, and you're going to take your green fabric, which has disappeared somewhere. My fabric is gone. Where is my fabric? Well, we'll just take this one. Live TV, you know. Okay? Just take your green fabric, put it around your stem, tie it in a knot, and you have your pumpkin. Piece of cake. So that takes about maybe 5 minutes to put it together. Put it on your table, put it on your hearth, wherever you want, and you have a pumpkin. That's it. That's today's Stitch with Rick from Unicoi State Park in Georgia. And by the way, it's 30 degrees out here, so that's why this is going to be such a short little video. I think it's only like 3 minutes. Alright, that's it. Bye.